Given the 2 points, 1, 4, and 3600, you want to find a power function. Remember, the general form for a power function is y equals ax to the p. So your goal is to find a and find p. And plug those in, and that's your power function. Start with your first point first. Plug in the x and the y for x and y in your equation. So I have 4 equals a times 1 to the p power. 1 to any power is just 1. So this is really the same as 4 equals a times 1, or a equals 4. So we have part of the problem already done. A is 4. Now the problem is find p. Well, you haven't used the second point yet, and you now have a. So we're going to fill in with, again, x and y back into our formula, and now we know a. So we're going to solve for p then. So I have 3600 equals the a we just found, 4 times x to the p. You cannot multiply 4 times 30 together. Order of operations say you have to do the power first, and since you don't know what the power is, you don't get to do the power. So your best alternative then is to divide off by 4. So now you have two options. You can either look at this problem and go, okay, I know what p is just by looking at it, or since you are looking for an exponent, you could use logarithms to help you out. You could do log base 30 of 900 equals p, type it into your calculator, and then figure out p that way. Or remember, you can also do natural log of 900 over natural log of 30. Do the change of base if your calculator can't do base 30, and figure it out that way. In either case, p is 2. 30 squared is 900. Once you have a and p, then you can go back to the formula and write it all in. Y equals 4x squared. As a double check, you can plug in your numbers 1 and 4, and it should equal each other. So as a check, 4 equals 4 times 1 squared. Or you can plug in the number 3600 equals 4 times 30 squared. Left side has to equal right side.